Hey everyone, it's Alison Heikkila. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am going to show you what is inside the Merry Moments kit from Spellbinders. I have not seen any of the contents that are inside this box. It does give a description of what's inside over here, but that's all I know. I don't know what it looks like. So we are going to open this together for the first time. I'm so excited about this kit. According to the description, you should be able to make at least 25, that's 25 cards with this kit, which is a crazy amount. So good. So let's take a look. I'm going to open this box up, and you can see here that it has this cute sticker of this puppy, and we're going to open this up. Well, I'm going to just slide it all out. Let's just move the box out of the way. Slide everything out, and let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun to play with. Okay, we first have this project idea sheet. You can see some of the fun things that are going to be inside. So fun. So this tells you everything that's inside. 13 A2 sized cards and 13 envelopes, 12 5x7 cards and envelopes, 14 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 foil paper. You can never have too much foil paper. A 6x6 40 sheet paper pad, die cut shapes, die cut sentiments, chipboard embellishments, sticker sheets, clear stamps, a wax seal embellishment, sequins, foam stickers, foam squares, and adhesive tape. That's a lot of stuff, you guys. Okay, this is a great value. I remember their kit from last year was a great value, and I think this one might even be better. Look at these pretty opalescent peach sequins. They are so pretty. So they have the faceting around the edge and no holes, which is nice because you won't have any glue oozage going through the hole. But these are just lovely, perfect for shaker cards or just little tiny touches of shine. Here is the foam tape and the foam squares. That's awesome. Can never have too much of that. Here is the stamp set. Look at that. These are great big sentiments. So look at the size of this 25. So I'm using my Pear Blossom Press T-square. So we've got, that's like, for the 25, it's almost 1 3/4 wide. How great is that? And for this sentiment, let's see. Let me flip this around. I might actually need one. This Christmas is about 3 inches. How cool is that? These are great. These are going to be so useful. You can use a lot of these throughout the year, not just for the holidays. Oh, what fun can be great anytime. These stars anytime. Happy, sending happy, wishes, magic, cheer. You can use those all the time. Maybe somebody's turning 25. I mean, this stamp set alone is a great thing to have. Check out these wax seals. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. If you haven't jumped on the wax seal craze yet, this is a great way to kind of test the waters, see if it's something that you want to use before you invest in a kit and the wax beads and the wax stamps. So this is a great jumping off point, and they're like pearlescent. Can you see that? It's not just a flat color or just shine, it's pearlescent. Those are so pretty. I love this one. I think that one's my favorite. Beautiful. Okay, then we have this. These are the sticker sheets, I guess. Let's see. Oh, look at this. They're all different. This is just a backer page. Look at these fabulous stickers. Oh. I like that they're muted colors. They're not like really bold red and really bold green. They're kind of a deeper tone. They're muted, and I love that. I love that they also have pink in here. Look at that Santa, so cute. These are great. I love these. These are going to make some super fast but still beautiful cards without a ton of effort. Touches of blue here. La 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 la. So fun. These are great. Okay, we'll get to the embellishments in a second. Oh, check these out. These are chipboard, and you can see that there's foiling on them. You have all 12 for the 12 days of Christmas. You've got some faux buttons, a couple of nutcrackers. Oh, the cardinal. That's special. I love that. These are so cute. You can make your own, maybe not an advent calendar because it's the 12 days of Christmas and usually you don't count from 12, but you could do some kind of cool thing where you maybe have these on a box cover and you lift one each day. So sort of like an advent calendar. I don't know. I'm just thinking on the fly here, but this is great. It even says counting down. Look at that. So fun. Wow. Look at these. These are thick. Do you see how thick that is? Oh, and they're on both sides. They're like a foam embellishment. I love the Believe in Magic. Something that you could definitely use any time of the year. This is so pretty. It has some foil on it. These are great. And obviously these negative bits here, you can just pop those out. So those will all come out easily. These are so pretty. Again, I love the touches of pink. Okay, excuse me. So here we have our A2 size cards. You can see that they're textured, which is fantastic. I love that. They're a nice weight. And then the coordinating envelopes. And then here are the 5x7s. Same fabulous texture. You can also use this for die cutting. If you're not somebody that does 5x7 cards, that's okay. You can do other things with it. You can trim them down, whatever. But it's nice to kind of make bigger cards sometimes. Okay, let's take a look at the cardstock. Oh, foil. Love me some foiled cardstock. Yes, I do. Let's open this up. Okay, let's see. We got some silver. Oh, look at that gold. That is a bright gold. And then we have black. We have some craft, like a hunter green, and sort of, kind of like an asparagus green. This is a lovely pool shade. This is kind of a gray. We have like a cranberry color. And I know that I'm not saying the right colors. I know that Spellbinders has them listed as something on their website, but I don't know the colors offhand. Then you have like a true red, this corally red, pink, like a rosy pink. This is a corally pink. Beautiful. And then a couple of sheets of cream, which is fabulous. So those will be very useful. Here is the 6x6 paper pad. You could do so much with these. I'm still using the one from last year. So here's a quick look at the front. That's so pretty. Oops. So there's 40 sheets in here. Love a good plaid. Ornaments. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. With the birds, the nutcrackers. So this is subtle. It says peace, joy, love, repeated over and over again. Can you see that? It's very subtle, but it's lovely. Oh, I love this one. That has a really delicate design. That one's really cool. These are great. Oh, this one's foiled. Look at that. Oh, you got the North Pole. There are some really great papers in here, you guys. This is another foiled one. Candy canes. This one you can cut down, and then it's going to repeat. So there you go. You get 20 designs and 2 of each sheet, and 6 of them are foiled. Okay, let's take a look quickly at some of the ephemera. I'm not going to dump it all out so that it leaves a little bit of a surprise for you if you're going to get this kit. So you've got duplicates in here, which is great. So you don't have to worry about using everything up all at once. Got some cute houses. I see a nutcracker head, some flowers. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, the pears, more ornaments. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, look at this wreath. And that has some foiling on it too. So that's some of the ephemera. And then we have some more in here. There's 238 die cut ephemera pieces, which is like, wow. Look at how cool this is. This is great for a little tag. Oh, this one's pretty. You can leave them together or cut them apart. See the perforation there? Peace on Earth. Look at a couple more of these. This is lovely. It matches that paper. Christmas wishes. Merry Christmas. My friends, this is a great kit. And I hope that, you know, if you enjoy making holiday cards, Christmas cards specifically, you take advantage of this kit because it is fantastic. Chock full of stuff. And like I said earlier, you can make at least 25 cards with this collection. So make sure you get this. I know that the other one from last year had sold out. Oh, look at that. So pretty. The other one had sold out last year. And I'm still using some of those pieces because there's just so much in it. And I think there's more this time. So be sure to check it out. Take a look at my description below. I'll have everything linked. And I will be sharing some cards that I make with this kit very soon. So until then, I will see you soon. Be well. Stay safe. Peace out.